Okay, really quickly, I'm going to show you how to make just the regular hemp square knot friendship bracelet, and I'm going to show you how to make the hemp beaded square knot bracelet. So what you have to start with first is 2 different lengths of string. Your first length, doubled like this, is going to be the length that is kind of what you want the circumference around your wrist to be, with a little give, obviously. You want a little extra. The second length needs to be about 3 times the length of your first, because that is the string that is going to be creating the square knots. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your 2 lengths like this. You're going to create a loop at the top. So you're going to do a little, I don't know if you call this a slip knot. I don't think it's a slip knot because it's a secure knot once it's up, but you just make this little loop at the top, like that. So then you're going to attach it to your clipboard. Okay, and you're going to take your 2 short strands, or your inner, they're going to be your inner strings. So what you're going to do is you're going to take some tape and you're going to secure them down like this. So now what I'm going to show you is a forward knot and a backward knot, and that one forward and one backward creates one square. So what you're going to do is, here's a forward knot and it literally makes a 4. Then with your guiding string, you're going to come up over that 4 and you're going to go underneath the X. Okay, and then you're just going to slide it up. Okay, so the backward knot is the mirror image. It's the same exact thing, only just backwards. So there's a backwards 4. Guiding string comes over the top and then under through this X part. So you're going to go like this and secure it. I'll show you this again. Here's the forward. Guiding string comes over the top and then under and through the X. You can kind of try and make sure you can see this clear. Over the top, and then we're going to go through the X. There. That helps. See that a little bit. One more backward. Over the top, and under and up through. Okay, so there's that. So you just go the length that you want. Now I'm going to show you how to secure the ends, how to do the ends. So the way most people do it is you take your ends, so your looped end and your string end, and you're just going to go take 2 of the strings and put it through the loop. Obviously somebody's going to be helping you do this around your wrist. You do 2 of the strings through the loop and then you just knot it. So like that. It's obviously more secure, but like that. Well, that's obviously a lot more permanent and you're going to wear it until the bracelet wears out. Or you can do it this way, which is really easy. Just take a bead, you wet the ends of your hemp. You're going to take a bead. You're going to go through. We'll actually secure these 2 ends down again just so you can see this really quick. You're going to go like this. And you're going to do the same forward knot that you've been doing, the same exact thing to secure your bead. that. And then you're going to take another bead and do it again on the other side. Put it through here. The string is starting to fray a little bit. Okay, same thing. So you're going to just do a backward knot this time and secure it. Oops, string's getting, length is getting a little short. That's what happens when you get to the end. So now you've secured your 2 beads. I'm going to come up. You don't have to do this, but I like to come up kind of on the back side of the beads and just do a regular knot to kind of secure them even more. Actually, yeah, we'll do just a regular square knot on top. And you're going to take and you're going to cut all of this off. Okay, then as you can see, you go to attach it, ta-da, okay, and now you have it secured. You can take it on and off when you want to. So there is that. Now I'm quickly going to show you how to do the beaded friendship bracelet, square knot friendship bracelet. You're going to start with the same exact idea. You've got your center, the diameter for your wrist. I'm going to tape it down, and you start out with as many square knots as you want. You string, you're going to want more beads than what I've put on here, but just for the sake of this demonstration, keep it quick. So you're going to tape it down. You're going to string your beads first, obviously, because it just saves you time. So push a bead up and start with your forward knot. Same thing. I'm going to do the same exact forward knot. Around it, then a backward knot. Same exact thing that I showed you on the other bracelet, only this time you're adding beads to it. Add another bead, forward knot, backward knot. And with the beaded bracelets, you can put as much space in between as you want each bead. You can do 3 square knots if you want, which would mean 3 backward knots and 3 forward knots, you know, and just make a little more space. I'm obviously just doing 1 forward knot and 1 backward knot, which equals 1 square knot. So, but I've done them lots of different ways where you can have more space in between each one or not. Just it kind of depends on the look you're going for. And then you're going to finish these off the same way. Once you get the length that you want with the beads, and I've noticed for little kids who, little toddlers, little kids who have between like a 3.5, 4, 5, 5.5 inch wrist, you're going to do anywhere from 10 to 12 beads, I've noticed. For an adult bracelet, anywhere from like, 6.5 to 7.5 inches around, you're going to do around 20 beads. So that, and then you just finish it off the same way that I showed you the other way. If you want it more permanent, just do a knot. If you want to be able to take it off and on, you're going to do the beads at the end. So hopefully this video was informative. If you have any questions, leave me comments and I'll make sure I answer your questions. Also, there's a lot of excellent YouTube videos to show you how to make beaded hemp friendship bracelets. So, but this is the easiest way I have found of doing this, and it just, I'm actually wearing, and I've secured them all with beads in the back so I can take them off when I want to. So anyway, hope that was informative. Thanks, guys.